when ants discovers Beetle.
Fire in the hole!
And suddenly, everything is chaos. Welcome to the Dung Beetle's wild adventure. Brothers, take on.
A tiny accident pops up.
Again. Double fail. But hey, at least he's warmed up now. Mr. Dung Beetle is cruising.
Dung! The situation is still under my control.
He eats wherever the poop drops. No shame. Rebels are everywhere. You either eat fast or someone steals your lunch. And check out this 100-year-old poop rat bowl. Then he face plans. Every step was just right. Yet Mama survives like his ancestors are doing tech support from the sky. Anyway, reset. Deep breath. Destiny's poop ball starts rolling again. It's like watching a tiny car powered by one very stressed set of legs. Pure determination. To save time, he even uses the sun as his navigation app. Like, who needs Google Maps when you've got star power? This is the animal kingdom's Sisyphus. But every long road has a final boss. And that's the bat-eared fox. Luckily, some termites took the hit. His ancestors are definitely still burning incense somewhere. Or maybe the fox just wanted a light snack. He pushes on tests, troubles, trauma, until he finally reaches his goal. But life says, congrats, here's another disaster. $0 shopping is trending in the Beetle War too. They fight hard. But our hero loses. Because even ancestral graves need a rest day. He ends up doing free manual labor for nature.
Who's next?
And now the end is near.
Stop singing, bro. Go lie down. Next morning, he crawls out and instantly catches the scent of love. His white knight has arrived, riding on the majestic heel of horse dung. Love at first sniff. All right, people, smash that like button. Our boy finally gets a break. Wait a moment. I don't think I'm emotionally ready to date. We don't know who that is. Tragic. Moving on. Next day. Jackpot. Ready-made poop appears. Antelope droppings. No rolling required. Just grab and go. Except he gets tricked again. Turns out this is a plant shrub, Cerium argenteum, whose seeds look, smell, and taste like real antelope. As he complains his way out, he finds a millipede. Great cuisine, but matchup. Millipede have bold tastes, but terrible combat power. No chance. Luckily, assassin bugs jump in, inject dissolving enzymes, and soon create a fresh juice buffet. Once they leave, our hero finally eats. Everything so far has been roller dung beetles. There's also a tiny night shift burrowing kind with its own drama. Adult males look like mini unicorns, working the night shift around poop piles. Male splits the dung. Females handle the storage. The male guards the door from sneaky intruders. And the other man. Young males grow tiny horns and look like females, so the gatekeeper relaxes. The full mate starts digging tunnels, and if he succeeds, he skips the hard labor phase. and jumps straight to insect celebrity status. Eventually, breaks through the wall. The female is tending the nursery ball. He taps her, like, "Hey girl, you up?" We don't know if she was comparing dads, but it doesn't matter, because the clan leader catches the guy and breaks both his legs instantly. The female lays eggs in the dung bowl, where the young can grow safely. That is, until the honey badger arrives, then everything collapses. He turns this high-protein meal into Michelin star Luocifen. All right, that's all for today. If you like bugs with drama and ambition, please continue to pay attention to this channel.
Oh, what?